Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and we're going to taste the Sunrise Mango today. This is one we picked up down at Fruitscapes in Pine Island. And I don't know anything about this one, though. I've heard the name of, and I think it's supposed to be pretty good, but we'll decide that. Got a nice color. It smells like canned peaches.
Ooh, I don't like that smell.
I like canned
It smells
peaches.
really bad. You taste that one first. And then you don't smell that bad smell? Maybe it is overripe.
No, well, I don't know. Every time I smell it, it smells different.
Like I just got that real musty
there's a strong, it's an unpleasant smell to it, but we'll see if it may just be overripe, but it might be. Would you like the first piece?
No, thank you.
Okay. So everybody gets honest, because I always eat the first piece of mango instead of giving it to her. She doesn't like the first bite of mango because she likes to watch my reaction first. It's good. It's very fruit cocktaily.
Which you like.
Which I like, and you know that's it's got.
Is it like the fruit cocktail mango that we tried at Matt's mango tasting?
As much as I can remember, I only had one bite of that one.
Do you think I would like this?
You're only one way you're gonna find out.
It smells so bad.
I'm not getting any of that. What I smelled, it did have a weird kind of funky smell to it. You don't have to. It's not there.
That's weird.
Yeah, it's got a weird kind of a pop to it. That's like a.
There's a tiny bit of chalkiness, creaminess. There's a resin at the back end.
I'm not getting much resin. I get the little bit of chalkiness there. But it's like it's a little bit of a flavor explosion, maybe unexpected.
Yeah, there's some citrus tones, but it's a different citrus tone. It's not like a lemon or orange.
It's like a tangerine.
Maybe. It's weird. I'm getting so much of the resin.
Yeah, I'm not getting much resin.
It's like chalky resin citrus.
I'm getting the chalky, but tangerine, fruit cocktail, mandarin. Mandarin
oranges in the.
Mandarin oranges in the juice. That's in the little cup.
Okay. I think I like it better now that I know what that flavor is.
Yeah, that's exactly what it tastes like. And I like those too, though.
You love those.
I know. So so to me that's good. You want to try this, Valerie?
Okay. If you like a chalky mango, you would probably love this.
I don't usually like chalky mangoes,
either,
but the chalkiness isn't strong in this.
Well, I kind of like it in here. It's a nice.
I don't know that it adds anything for me, but it doesn't take anything away either. So.
I can't believe how bad that smelled to me. And how it doesn't taste like that at all. But I have
now with mandarin in your mind.
No, it still smells really
bad.
Smells bad. Yeah. There's something in there I don't like that smell.
So I know that smell. And let me see if I can wrap my head around it. It's good.
I was really paying attention.
I wouldn't want to plant one.
No, it does have a chalkiness to it, and some people really like the chalkiness.
And also, I didn't even taste any chalkiness.
Well, the chalkiness is more feel than flavor.
Oh, you know those candy Necco wafers? It tastes like a tangerine, a Necco wafer, and a little bit of mango, and you put them all in your mouth and you chewed it. That's what that mango would be.
Because that's what the chalkiness of there is. It
feels
like eating a Necco wafer. We need to have a little counter across the bottom every time we mention a junk food. The mango would taste like a junk food.
It might be 100%.
Ding! Overall, it's not bad. I just got a bad bite that I think maybe was close to the skin. Let me try a piece closer to the seed.
It's surprising. It's different than anything we've
Yeah.
had.
definitely unique. It's a little better near the seed.
Much more resinous.
I'm not getting any resin in that.
Really?
Mm-mm.
No, I don't like it near the seed.
Okay. Okay.
And it has a little bit of the taste of that bad smell too.
Okay, any resin at all.
That's weird. Ooh, that one tasted just like fruit cocktail.
That's how my first bite
Yeah.
was. And then they tasted more like mandarins. The good thing of this, I mean, the mango it's like trying to figure out this puzzle of what is this
Right.
flavors that I'm tasting. Overall, it's not bad. I'd give it a 7.
Me too.
But it's just kind of like it's more the mystery of what is this flavor
Yeah.
that I'm experiencing. Other than if this was the only one you'd ever had,
You'd
be
probably
okay.
like it.
Yeah, it'd be okay. But there's a lot of flavors that are kind of hard to put your finger on in there. That I wouldn't really say it's a complex flavor. There's not. I'm not getting the resin. So
It hits you right after the chalkiness. It's like right at the end.
I'm not getting any resin at all. But so anyway, so that's sunrise.
Mhm.
Is that what that is? Not bad. If you get one, it's worth trying. Yeah, the strongest thing in there is the
Mandarin?
mandarins in their
With
little
some fruit
little
cocktail.
fruit cups.
Yeah.
Anyway, so not bad. I would eat another one. I wouldn't planned it, but I would eat another one. So whatever that puts it at, about a 7 for me. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Pick the mango from the tree, and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack.